Okay, now this is my Canva. As you can see, the one with C icon here. I just opened my Canva. Now I have templates. If I want to start afresh, I have designs. These are already made designs which I've done with my Canva. There are so many of them. So now this is the one I showed you. I just sent to you. This is the one I just sent to you. It's coming up. This is the one I just sent to you. So this is just it. This is the main image, and this is the blue background I placed on it. So I will show you how to do it exactly now. I will not use the already ones I've designed. I mean the already made designs. I will create a new template. So I can use already made designs here, or I can click on this plus sign here to start a fresh design. Now you can see I have a fresh design. They'll ask you which kind of size, the size you want based on the platform you want to post it on. But I normally prefer using custom design, and the design I normally using is 4 inches, because with 4 inches it can fit into any platform that you use. Some platforms have different sizes, but 4 by 4 inches fits into every platform. So I want 4 by 4 inches. Now this is 4 by 4 inches. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to add background. So I'll click on this plus arrow here, or sign, and I come to images, and I'll click on images, search Canva library, then I'll search for waterfall, and I'll click on search. As you can see, it will show me so many waterfall designs. So I can select anyone, which this was the one I selected earlier. So all I will do, I will increase it to be my background. Let me delete this. Okay, since I want it to be my exact background, I will tap on this white background that is already existing, and when I type on it, it will show me gallery, images, video, and color. Meaning if I want a plain background, I can use any color I want. Or if I want an image background, I can search for images and search for waterfall, and I will select the background I want. Can you see it now? This is how I made that particular background. Now if I want olive tree, I will just simply search olive tree. Let's say olive tree. Let me see what it shows. Okay, now you can see these ones with crown, they are paid images. I can't use them for free, so I would rather just choose the ones that are free, like this one. This one is free. Now assuming I'm using this, if I'm okay with the background like this, I can leave it as good. But if I'm not really okay, I want to add effect, I tap on this arrow and come to illustrations, click on frames, and I will choose this block frame here. Then I want to give it a green color. So then I want this screen to be transparent. At the top right of your screen, you see 3 dots on inside a circle. When I click on it, you see this transparent icon by the side of it. Then I can use it to make this transparent to my text. Okay, I like this like this. Then these nodes at the edges of this square, I'll drag it to cover this particular image, and I click on good. So that is it. I've succeeded in getting it the way I want. That is if I want it to have this particular design, or I can leave it as it is. So then if I want to add text, I can still come to this place, text. These are the tools that you have already. Text, I can decide to add text. I can decide to add any text, like let's say this, welcome. Then if I want to change the background color by the font size, this place you are seeing 37, I click on it and I will click on this, or white. I've changed the background color of this one. If I want to change the background color of this other one, I also click on it, it has changed. I can give it a yellow or any color that I feel like. Then if I want to, this text is grouped now. If I want to ungroup it, from at the top right corner, after the dots that are inside a circle, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. This other one that has circle and a kind of square behind it, once you click it, you have succeeded in separating this text. They are now individual texts. You can now edit and type anything you want to do. Edit it and type anything you want to do. Praise God. Okay, you can increase the font size. So this is just a crash video. I hope this helps you get along with it. So if I want to now download this arrow pointing downwards with a line under it, once I click on it, I'll be able to download this in my phone. Then I can share. So thank you.